Section 4. AI on the farm. Not always easy peasy. While AI is super helpful, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes using AI in farming can be tricky. For starters, it can be expensive to buy all those high-tech gadgets. Not all farmers, especially small farmers, can afford these fancy tools. It's like trying to buy a spaceship when you're used to driving a bicycle. Another challenge is that AI needs internet to work properly. And guess what? Many farms are located in areas with spotty internet connections. Imagine your AI tractor going haywire because it can't connect to the internet. Plus, farmers need to learn how to use all this new technology. It's like learning a whole new language. Section 5. Real-life AI farmers. Meet the robots. Don't worry, you won't see robots driving tractors just yet. But AI is already being used on farms around the world. In Japan, they're using AI to sort cucumbers. Yes, cucumbers. The AI system can tell the difference between different grades of cucumbers based on their size, shape, and color. In California, AI is helping winemakers predict the perfect time to harvest their grapes. The AI system analyzes data from weather stations, soil sensors, and even satellite images to tell farmers when the grapes are at their juiciest and most flavorful. Cheers to that. Section 6. The future of farming is smarter than ever. AI is changing the way we grow food, and this is just the beginning. In the future, we can expect to see even more amazing things from AI in agriculture. Imagine robots that can pick fruits and vegetables, AI systems that can predict and prevent plant diseases before they even happen, and even vertical farms in the middle of cities, all powered by AI. With AI lending a helping hand, we can grow more food, use less resources, and make sure everyone has enough to eat. So next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember the AI working hard behind the scenes to make it all possible. Bon appétit!